Hi, so I'm doing a service on a MCCULLOCH petrol motor. Purchased a MCCULLOCH electronic Rolex, whatever. That's the 354OP, and I'm giving it a full service. So the full service includes checking the inlet manifold, electronic ignition coils, the bolts there, checking the brake, checking the valve clearance, cleaning all the carbon off the piston and the valves, checking that it's not loose, checking the recoil is working and it's not fading. There's a new pull cord, checking the carburetor, needs coming apart, and see how dirty it is. So checking the primer and put new diaphragms in. Blade is going to get sharpened and balanced and painted up. Extra and extra and extra. I check it all, like handlebars loose, needs a new plastic screw goes in here to the handlebars. What happens, you see they wobble like that. So it's a complete full service. I check the wheels as well, height adjusted, the grass flat, every single bit of this engine, the wheels and the deck and the grass box. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment on this video. Bye.